Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: an Azure subscription, resource group, and network. Next, create or confirm a service principal so Databricks can access resources. This avoids later permission roadblocks. Once done, open the Azure portal and choose Create a Resource, then search Databricks. Select the workspace SKU that matches your budget and scale needs. Choosing Premium enables role-based controls. Make sure to set the same region as your storage to reduce latency and egress costs. You now fill workspace details: name, pricing tier, and region. For networking, decide between public endpoints or virtual network injection. VNet injection gives tighter control and private IPs. Then configure the storage. Either attach an existing storage account with correct permissions or enable managed storage to simplify access. After configuring encryption and tags, review the template and click Create. This step establishes the control plane and links compute and storage for notebooks and clusters to run efficiently. You finish by launching the workspace and creating a minimal cluster to validate the setup. Run a simple notebook that reads and writes to configured storage to confirm IAM and network paths. If the cluster fails to spin up, check role assignments for the service principal and storage ACLs. Also inspect NSGs, route tables, and private endpoint DNS. Misconfigured networking is the most common blocker. If you still see issues, retry with public endpoints temporarily to isolate network from permission problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.